The impact of misinformation on social media. Did you know that a false story can reach millions of views on social media in a matter of hours? Nowadays, most people are using social media to spread false information. Just like Facebook, TikTok, and Twitter have become powerful tools for communication, education, and entertainment. The downside is that these platforms have also become major sources of misinformation. Many people in our society fall victim to false information, and like scams, it can shape their beliefs, decisions, and behaviors in harmful ways. Misinformation on social media spreads false knowledge, especially among students who rely on these platforms for information. It also influences these people's opinions unfairly, often without them realizing it. Aside from influencing knowledge, misinformation also possesses a harmful effect on public opinion within school and society. It propagates falsehood that form the way individuals think, behave, and make decisions. Its greatest threat that it causes individuals to lose faith in valid sources, including teachers, experts, and even government news channels. Once trust is lost, it is more difficult to alter mistaken beliefs and instill correct facts. This causes confusion, division, and fear among communities. The longer the misinformation is spread without being checked, the more harm it does. To people and society in general, evidently, social media misinformation presents serious threats that needs to be taken care of immediately. Social media is a powerful tool for connecting to people, spreading news, and sharing ideas instantly. False or misleading content can spread quickly, often going viral before the truth has been released. This misinformation can influence the public opinion, create confusion, and even cause panic, especially during crises like the COVID-19 pandemic or the election. Misinformation in social media harms schools and society by spreading false information. It can destroy trust in credible institutions. It can also destroy the trust of people, making it difficult for people to differentiate between truth and false information. In schools, it focuses students and weakens their ability to think critically in society. It divides people and makes it harder for the truth to be accepted. As a result, it becomes harder for the truth to be accepted and understood by the public. So, in conclusion, as user of social media, it is our responsibility to think critically and confirm the information we read on the internet. We should avoid sharing content that is misleading or unverified. Every post we make can influence others, so it's important to be mindful of what we share. Social media platforms also have a responsibility to regulate fake news by monitoring more and implementing stricter rules. Together, we can help create a safer and more truthful digital shape in a world overwhelmed by misinformation. Truth should be our most powerful and valued weapon.